Hello everybody, welcome back to the Potato Gamer. Today we're playing a little more 1.9.2. So, where we left off, I was just talking about how we needed to, where we were building our railroad. Fuck off, zombie. Get fucking juked. Oh, and you fucking too, you goddamn skeleton. Stupid fucking skeletons, guys. Okay, so I'm going to craft a few iron pickaxes and start going down, 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 break it down. If you know that song, mad fucking respect, dude. Yeah, craft a few iron pickaxes. Okay, 9. Okay, well, we're miners now. I'm like 90% a Minecraft YouTuber, so, well, yeah, about that. My fire tower is ugly, but it's my first build, so I wanna keep up on my builds. Even if they're ugly as fucking shit. Okay. Lately, I don't know why, but they've been having like major technical difficulties with the fucking tornado sirens. Yesterday, it was like going off just nonstop, like fucking day. And you got fucking school, so it's all day. It's like, and you can't fucking pay attention, especially if it's like a stupid test day. I mean, however, it is the fucking MCAs, so it's full. Okay. I'm about to bomb this whole train. I mean, all this is free fucking cobblestone, so for other builds, so I'll take it. Burger King. I might actually use glowstone for lighting. I would use sea lanterns, but they're kind of not in the game yet, so. My question. I didn't even fucking know this. It's just fucking crazy. How fucking illagers in mansions were in the game before the Village and Pillage update. I didn't know that. I think it was Vindicators and Evokers. Okay. One, two, three, four. Oh, we don't even need to fucking count at this point. Okay. I'll go 2 more down. Okay, there goes that shovel. However, we don't need to really dig much more dirt. Just this last little bit. Man, it's like fucking better than wolves, dirt-wise. Like, I swear to God, you're on like your first fucking day and you're like, oh yeah, I got a little bit of dirt. I do like better than wolves to be. Oh, I put my fucking food away. Okay. Can I put my bones in your jaws? My bones in your jaws. Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I put my bones in your jaws? My bones in your jaws. Genuinely though, W song. Baked potato. Eating himself. That's fucking sick, dude. Why the fuck is he eating himself? That's disgusting. That is absolutely vile. Genuinely though, baked fucking potatoes are like probably one of the best inventions known to man. Alongside that is like fucking Tetris. Baked potatoes and Tetris, man. So you need no and butter. And possibly mining salt. Because baked potatoes, salt, and butter is fucking heavenly. Okay, got our way down. Genuinely though, this game is fucking W. Like, seriously. I swear to God, like half my fucking experience is fucking like Minecraft and modded Minecraft gaming wise. I mean, it's just such a versatile game. It's everything, everything you could want in a game. Um, Adventure RPG sandbox. I mean, it's technically an adventure game. It's technically an RPG. You could treat it as an RPG at least. Not like fucking Final Fantasy, but you could treat it like a fucking RPG, like you can certain Kirby games and shit. Okay. Wow. This is my entrance to the fucking underground. Okay. I'll just carve out a little tunnel here. I'll widen it out a bit. Here, I'll just look here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, so powered rail there. Perfect. Okay, so I'll put lighting here. For now, I'll just put torches. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here. Okay. So we got our lighting sources down. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, dude. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Iron. Swear this thing's gonna give me like enough iron to build the railway system. This, I think I'm just gonna leave natural cut stone. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1. Oh, first pickaxe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that's fire. Just will burn that iron. Oh no, we want to leave those actually. We want to leave those because that's like the fucking stone. Oh, okay, so some of these I did, some of these I didn't. Okay. Just like cobblestone or diorite if it's near diorite. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I think next up, I think I'm gonna make like a junction. Ugh. So I'm gonna make a highway. It should take me to on both X and Z axes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, opened up right here. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do, okay, 'll make a circular room, I guess. I don't know, man. A lot of times that I play my fucking Minecraft, I gotta make a fucking circle. Don't know why. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, torch, torch. One, two, okay. Oh, I wish I could fucking open up single player worlds to multiplayer worlds without LAN, like that I've already built, so, I can share all this shit with friends and stuff. Whatever, man, it's still cool. Real cool. Not very functional, but cool. It's functional, I guess. Just be a lot more functional if it was in a multiplayer world. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, so two things. Okay, so two. Okay, that's two pickaxes. Okay, so two of these. One of these. Then one, two. Okay. One, two. Hey, one, two, one, two. Okay. I'm the man right now. Okay. Still in Taiga, I guess. Man, this game takes a lot of patience. Sorry, one sec. I mean, huge builds especially. I love huge builds in these kind of games. But they're just so fucking, it's time consuming. I mean, stupid fucking Eaglercraft, I don't know if I already said this, but I have one of my old worlds from when I was like 14. Um, I have like fucking, like easily like 100 hours in. Like seriously. I have some huge builds, especially for on a fucking Chromebook. Um, because it's all I really did in class, if I understood it, is I played fucking Eaglercraft. Okay. Wow, this takes forever. Wait, there's sponges? I want to look this up quickly. Okay, I know sponges were added, but okay. Sponge, Minecraft Wiki. Ugh. Okay, Noblin, Natural Generation, Ocean Monument. Okay, ocean monuments, also known as monuments, blah, 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 blah. History. Um, okay, so yeah, they are. I just gotta find them. I didn't realize ocean monuments were in the game yet. It's 1.8, so this is 1.9. Like, what the fuck was that? Okay. La 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 lava, chicken. Steve's I love a chicken yet. Tasty, yeah. Man, I haven't even seen the fucking movie yet, and I know that song. Okay. Yeah. La 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 lava, chicken. Steve's I love a chicken yet. Tasty, yeah. Ooh, ringing the bell. If you've seen my newest YouTube short, you may know. YouTube Shorts. Why the fuck don't they change YouTube Shorts to YouTube Jorts, man? Then I'd watch it. Oh my god, jorts are just, ow. I would not want to wear them. They just fucking hurt. Skinny jeans suck. Short, skinny jeans. Where the fuck did your circulation go, guys? I don't know why, but some kid fucking. I have like a personal Discord where I play with all my fucking friends. I'm gonna make a channel Discord pretty soon here. But so he fucking dropped in randomly, like one of my friends must have shared it or something. Kid drops in. I know him from school. I've seen him around. He fucking drops in, posts that, and leaves. That's it. That's his only post. Doesn't call anybody on it. He's not even he doesn't go on it anymore. So I don't know what the fuck that was, man. I mean, it's still fucking funny. Um, la 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 la. Dude, his name is fucking 1919 root beer. Dude. Lava. Chicken. Steve's hot lava chicken. Yeah, it's tasty as hell. God, dude. That movie, I haven't seen it, but looks fucking retarded, and I have to watch it. Dude, it's gonna be the second worst movie I've ever seen. I mean, it's gonna be great just because it's so bad, but just like The Incredible Bulk or The Amazing Bulk. La 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 lava chicken, Steve's I love it chicken, yeah, tasty as hell. Ooh, she's a ringing the bell. It's a lava hot time. Just dig this out a bit, I guess. Wow, this thing just breaks pickaxes like fucking stone. Okay. Dude, this is... Sorry. Okay, I'm 24 minutes in. Oh my god. Okay, one sec. I swear to God, the fucking gastric flu is taunting me. I had fucking track tournament. And my friend wanted me to come to the Minecraft movie with him, and I said, hey, I can't. I have a fucking track tournament. I can't go to a fucking track tournament because I have gastric flu, and that means I can't go to the fucking movie either. Like, seriously. There is reason to be angry. Steve's all of the chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, the ring in the bell. Okay, once I create this little circular room, I'm gonna cap it here, I guess. Yeah. Surprised I haven't vomited in a while. Well, anyway. Yeah, once I finish the station, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Because I gotta go play fucking Project Zomboid with one of my besties. I'll texture it a little later, I guess. Next video. Okay, yeah. I guess. Yeah, I guess. Um, like and sub if you enjoyed. Bye.